Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon on Guitar. So, we have Diplo here, WOOLFORD and Lomax, with their song called Promises. So this is a dance song here, and fairly easy to play. Now, we set our capo here on the first fret, and the reason for that is, if we go without any capo here, we would have been holding 5 different chords, and all chords would have been bar chords. So I believe some of you could have some problems, or let's say like this, we go for the easiest way, and that would be to set the capo here on the first fret, and that will give us some easy chords to handle. So that's the reason for this. So 5 chords is what we need here. So let's go first with the E minor. So open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. Next chord will be F sharp minor. So you need to bar all strings here on the second fret, and the 4th fret on A string, and the 4th fret of D string. That is what you need for the F sharp minor. Then next will be an A. So open A, second D, second G, second B, and open E. The 4th chord will be a B minor. So bar again, 2nd fret, this time from the A string and down, so only 5 strings. And the rest will be 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. And the final chord, G. So 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. So there's your 5 chords. And we will handle this chord in 2 different ways. And I showed you in the beginning of this tutorial both ways here. One is only 1 down for each chord, and you can add this clap here that will replicate the beat in the song. So that means 1 down on each chord and 2 claps. Then switch. Switch again. So 1 down and 2 claps for each chord. Like this. The other way is the strumming here. And the strumming will be down, 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 up. So if we take an E minor as an example there, that's the 1st chord. So down, 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 up. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up. So 1 round of the strumming will be down, 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 down. And I like to play more on the bass strings on the first 2 downs, and more on the middle and top strings on the down, down, up. So like this. So yeah, now when we have these 2 variations of playing the chords, we can dive right into the song here. And yeah, the verse first. The chords will be E minor to F sharp minor to A to B minor. That's the chord progression there. And you will play that for 2 rounds with the 1 down and 2 claps. So, okay. So E minor, F sharp minor, A, and B minor. 2 rounds. Okay, so that is the first verse. And the pre-chorus, do you ever wonder why it's never in our hands? And that's the lyrics, that's not just me speaking here. That's the pre-chorus, and it continues in the same way here as in the verse. You will do that again for 2 rounds, same chords, E minor, F sharp minor, A, and B minor. So still the same there. Then the first chorus there, it's not my fault. That's where we are in the lyrics. It will be still the same chords, E minor, F sharp minor, A and B minor. This time we will have 2 rounds of the strumming. And for each chord you will do 2 strumming rounds. So that means E minor, F sharp minor, and so on. So down, 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 up 2 times for each chord. And it will sound like this. And a second round. Then comes the, after this chorus comes the post chorus, or the drop, or whatever you want to call it. It will be in the same way. So it will be another 2 rounds of this chord progression here with the strumming. And yeah, that's not that much new to this song than that. Except from one part a little later on, it's a bridge there and a chorus that will change a bit. But before we come there, we will have this second verse there, and the second verse will be played in the same way as the first verse. And the same goes for the pre-chorus and the chorus, played in the same way as we just learned, and even the post-chorus there. So it will all repeat itself from what we have learned so far. Now, after this post-chorus comes this bridge part that I talked about, and here the chords will change a bit. So we will still use this technique with 1 down, 2 claps for each chord, but the chord progression here will be G, A, B minor, and E minor. You will do that for 2 rounds for the bridge, and then after this bridge comes the final chorus, you can say, and this chorus will change from the other chorus here, and the change will be that you just continue with the same chords we just learned. So G, A, B minor, and E minor, and you will also continue there with the down and clap. So from the bridge part where it starts, you will do in total 4 rounds of the G, A, B minor, and E minor. So again. Yeah, and so on. 4 rounds. And then this song ends with a final post-chorus and an outro, and that will be played in the same way as we just learned. The chords E minor, F sharp minor, A, and B minor. 2 rounds on the post-chorus, and for the outro, final part, 2 rounds. And that is how this cool song, Promises, ends. So if this was helpful for you, please let me know. Please like this video, or even subscribe if you haven't yet. And yeah, see you soon. Don't forget, guys, play tuned.